They say intelligence is what separates humans from the rest of the animal kingdom. But what if we're not as unique as we think? From problem-solving parrots to dolphins with their language, today we're counting down the top 10 smartest animals. And trust me, number 1 will leave you speechless. 1. Chimpanzee. Our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Chimps use tools, pass down traditions, solve puzzles, and some have learned elements of sign language. They even show political behavior in groups, forming alliances and rivalries. 2. Crows. These brainy birds can use tools, recognize human faces, and even hold grudges. Some crows in Japan drop nuts on the road and wait for cars to crack them open, then swoop in when the light turns red. That's strategy. 3. Cats may act aloof, but don't be fooled. Studies show they recognize their names and their humans' voices. They can learn by observation and even manipulate humans with vocal cues. Evil genius vibes? Maybe. 4. Dogs man's best friend isn't just loyal, they're smart too. Dogs can learn hundreds of words, detect diseases, and even sense human emotions. Some border collies can identify over 1,000 different objects by name. 5. Rats. Often underestimated, rats are quick learners. Lab rats can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even show signs of regret and empathy. That's part of why they're used in so many psychological studies. 6. Octopus, not a fish, and not just squishy. Octopuses are masters of escape and camouflage. Some species have been seen using coconut shells as tools. Their brains are spread throughout their arms. Each one can function semi-independently. 7. Dolphin names for each other. Yup, they use signature whistles, can understand human gestures, and even pass the mirror test. Some scientists believe dolphin pods have social structures as complex as human families. 8. African gray parrot. Meet the Einstein of the bird world. African greys can learn over 100 words, understand concepts like shape and color, and even ask for what they want. The famous parrot Alex could count and identify objects. 9. Elephants don't just have great memories. They mourn their dead, use tools, and can even recognize themselves in mirrors. That's a sign of self-awareness, shared by only a handful of species on Earth. 10. Raccoon. These little bandits are more than just trash pandas. Raccoons can remember the solution to a puzzle for over 3 years and have been observed opening complex locks in seconds. Their problem-solving ability even rivals some primates.